Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In today's video, we are asked to find the value of x, given that x raised to the power of s is equal to 5. So the equation given to us is x raised to the power of x is equal to 5. Now the first thing we do is to take the natural log of both sides. So we have that ln s raised to the power of x is equal to ln 5. But recall that from our laws of logarithm, if we have ln a raised to the power of b, this expression can be written as b multiplied by ln a. So therefore, at this point, we can have that x multiplied by ln x equal to ln 5. Also, if I have e raised to the power of ln x, this is still equal to x. So we can apply this knowledge in our equation. So we have that ln x, e ln x is equal to ln 5. Let's go here, equation 1. Now, looking at equation 1, the left-hand side of equation 1 has the form s multiplied by e to the power of x. Now, at this point, we can be able to apply the Lambert W function. So recall that if we apply the Lambert W function, we have that w, open bracket, x, e raised to the power of x is equal to x. First, applying the Lambert W function in equation 1, we have that w, open bracket, ln x multiplied by e raised to the power of ln x is equal to w multiplied by ln 5. Now, at this point, if we apply our knowledge from this point, we have it that the left-hand side is equal to ln x equal to w ln 5. Now, if we take up the inverse operation, we have that e ln x is equal to e w open bracket ln 5. So therefore, x is equal to e w open bracket ln 5. Now we have obtained the value of x, but x can approximately be equal to 2.12937. So therefore, let's check if our answer is correct. We're given that x raised to the power of x is equal to 5. So if we plug in the value of x, we have that 2.1237 raised to the power of 2.12937 will be equal to 5. So therefore, the value here is giving us 4.99, which is approximately equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 2.1237. Thank you for watching. And also, if you know you found value in the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. There are still other videos in this channel that you can explore. Check on the playlist, and I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.